Are donations to Wikipedia tax deductible here in Australia? Today in this video, I'm going to answer that question as well as showing you what is a deductible gift recipient and how you can look to see if an organisation in Australia is a deductible gift recipient. Let's go. Hey guys, my name is Michael and I'm an accountant from Australia, and on this channel we talk about money and finances so that we can all live more fulfilled lives together. Now, in that intro there, I just asked the question, are donations to Wikipedia tax deductible in Australia? This is actually a question that I've had to look up myself at work, and I'm going to show you how us accountants go about finding out if organisations such as Wikipedia, such as other charities, maybe Red Cross, RSPCA, to see if you can claim a tax deduction to these organisations in Australia. So first of all, the question we have to ask is, what is the deductibility rules of donations here in Australia? Now, our tax rules say that an organisation, being a charity or a not-for-profit, isn't enough. It actually has to be endorsed as a deductible gift recipient, also known as a DGR. As I mentioned, not all charities are DGRs. Quite recently, there's been a lot of fundraising through crowdfunding, such as GoFundMe and all these other sorts of campaigns. Now, it's important to note that not all of these crowdfunding sources are deductible gift recipients. How do you actually see if a charity or non-for-profit is endorsed as a deductible gift recipient? Well, it's as simple as going to this website, which is called ABN Lookup. And you can just simply search for the name or the ABN of the organisation, and it will list a whole bunch of information about that organisation. Things such as their incorporation date, previous business names they've had, other trading names they have. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there will be a section about deductible gift recipients. So here you can see me earlier doing a quick little search for Wikipedia. And as you see, there actually isn't any Wikipedia results that pop up on this website, and it's not a mistake. Wikipedia is not registered in Australia. It's an American corporation, and therefore it pains me to say that Wikipedia is not a deductible gift recipient in Australia, meaning that if you donate to Wikipedia, you cannot claim a tax deduction on your Australian tax returns. And I found that by just checking out the Wikipedia website, and when you go to donate, there's a little sub-tab that says tax deductibility rules. And it does say there that it's a US corporation, and therefore if you're overseas, please check with your tax accountant. And so this is me saying that I do not believe that as an Australian resident, your donation to Wikipedia, I don't believe it's a eligible tax deduction. However, if you do want to quickly just check out the ABN Lookup website, I've got the link in the description below. I'm just showing you on screen here some examples of RSPCA. You can see that's a deductible gift recipient. I'm also showing you Red Cross. You can see that's a deductible gift recipient. So that is actually what a deductible gift recipient looks like. As you saw before, we couldn't even find Wikipedia on the ABN Lookup website, and therefore you cannot claim it as a deduction. All right, that's all for this video, folks. Just to quickly wrap it up, we talked about what is a deductible gift recipient, how can you find out if an organisation is an eligible gift recipient, and we concluded that Wikipedia is not a deductible gift recipient. Therefore, your donation to Wikipedia is not eligible as a deduction. So I'm sorry to break your hearts, but it's just the harsh reality. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment. I get back to all of the comments. You might also enjoy this video about the new instant asset write-off rules and how you can claim a massive depreciation deduction